Takaya Blaney is a force of nature. She has been a youth leader since the age of 6. At age 10, Takaya's concern about local sea otter populations in Vancouver inspired her to take action. Her first song and video, Shallow Waters, brought international attention to the need to include youth and Indigenous voices as full partners for change. Takaya is also working with the Salish Sea Youth Foundation. This Canadian First Nation organization is dedicated to the restoration of wildlife populations in the area. Today, Takaya is a First Nations leader, actor, singer-songwriter, and youth ambassador who performs and speaks across the globe. She has become an advocate for Indigenous youth, speaking to the need for global change to include this often overlooked and marginalized group in environmental efforts. At the age of 13, she became the youngest person to present a formal intervention at the United Nations headquarters, where she introduced the Native Children's Survival Indigenous Children's Fund. Takaya has touched millions of people of all ages and walks of life. She has inspired global citizens, dignitaries, and politicians alike to take action for the benefit of the environment and understand that no action is too small. The Canadian Museum of Nature is proud to award Takaya Blaney the 2016 Nature Inspiration Award for Youth.